Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lwandile here, the leader of Manikwe School. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.1, but from a different perspective. By that I mean, since we're going to be solving each problem in different ways, we're going to be assuming we've got student A, student B, and student C, and we've already done the problem from student A's perspective. By the way, that exercise was called exercise 1.1a. So now what we are going to be doing is to solve it from student B's perspective. So what we gotta do is to create a class, call it exercise 1.1b, exercise 1.1b. The B here refers to student B. It's going to be exercise 1.1b. Then we add the main method, we hit finish. Bear in mind though, the problem is still the same. What we are required to do is to display the message, 3 messages, but actually it's we want to display welcome to Java, welcome to computer science, and programming is fun. But here we're going to do it differently than we did on exercise 1.1a. So what you're going to be doing here, we're going to be using the combination of println and print. By that you will see in a moment what do I mean. Or let me put a comment from this. I mean, this is, we're gonna actually, I'm gonna put what student B has done. So student B used a combination of println and print. So here's the solution. So we first print system.out.print. We first print welcome. First print welcome to Java using print, not println, and then we go system.out.println in order to go to the next line. Again, we then, not putting anything there. Again, we then go system.out.print welcome to computer science. For the last time, we put system.out.println in order to go to the next line. Then we put system.out.print in order to display its system.out.print in programming is fun. So this is pretty much it. Yeah, you guys, let's run the program and see what we get. Boom, we got what we expected. So the lesson here is you can use the combination of print and println. Thing is, println cannot be used without putting anything inside the curly brackets, whereas on the other hand, println can be used in that way. So the lesson, again, the lesson is you can use println and put nothing inside the curly brackets. You just use that only if you want to go to the next line. That was pretty much it, you guys. Now let's do the problem from student C's perspective. See you in the next video.